Today's meeting would be how to do time management of my work. Basically, more about leadership skills that we can actually apply in organization for a team. And as being a fresh, I'm literally expecting a lot more things to learn right now.
I'm expecting some good training from this session. So maybe good expression how to lead a team, the expectations from how we can avoid the obstacles what team is facing, what are the challenges team is facing, so how we can grow our leadership qualities.
And if it wasn't for technicians and investors, housekeeping team would find it difficult to complete tasks.
Pass.
एक मेल है, कुछ नहीं सर, सीधा गोली।
मुझे बोलना था गाड़ी लेके जाता मैं, वहाँ कोई मिलती तो बात कर लेता। आप इस लाइक की आजू Tell me why?
सर आपकी कसम सर, ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया सर, आपकी कसम। इसलिए तो मैं क्या बोलूं सर, मेरी जॉब थी ना, आपकी कसम खा के बोलूं सर, ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया सर।
शादी है मेरी।
Training was completely awesome. We got a food also, lunch and a breakfast. Session was too good. We enjoyed a lot. We got learned lots of things, how to improve our personalities, how to implement the things in our daily life, personal life, how to maintain, professional life, how to maintain. Everything we have learned, and I can say that Jeswil, Samuel and Suresh, those guys were completely awesome. Thank you.
Hi, Gaurav this side, and as we have been taken the workshop training today, our trainer is doing an excellent job where we have been so much stuck with so many things in a daily routine, and they have been not only guide us how to manage our workload, team load, they have even give us those entertainment which we were looking for entire weekend. Thank you so much.
So hi, I like the training very much. It's really useful because before attending to the training, I was in an impression that I will be wasting one day of my time and my team's productivity is on stake at the end of the month training. But once I visited there, I really felt it's very useful because before attending the training, that I was in an impression that I'm handling my team in a very great level and I'm a very great UH. But once the session happened, that's when I realized that there are so many flaws in me also where I need to learn and cover up and make my team better in terms of performance, people management and everything. It's really useful.
What I learned and how the team management, people management and reading their minds and there are people are different mindset, different behaviors. So how to handle all these things by standing in one person position. And along with that, I learned many things like how to have a conversation with not only verbally, even with the communications.
I request the company basically to get all this kind of activities and this kind of training in coming future.